Hello, today we've got 20 cleans to do, just over £400 in total of work. We've had 2 skips. It's just after Christmas, it's that time of year. December's been a bad month for me. The last part of December we've had the 2 storms hit the UK, which meant I haven't been able to work. That's lost me a lot of income. So as such for December, I've actually £2,000 short of what I need to cover the bills and to pay everyone. So that's me, my wife, and then Matthew and Sophie, my son and daughter. Luckily I've got some money set aside for paying the tax bill, and I've paid my tax bill, so that was all left over. But I've had to use all of that to get me through December. And the bit that people don't realise is the beginning of January, so this is Friday, following Monday, I've got a service booked in for my van because it's also going through its MOT. So I've got no funds there to pay for all that. So that's where the trusty credit card's going to come back in, and it's going to put that back up for me to try and whittle down again through the year. So that's the reality, really, I suppose, of running your own business. Even something simple like window cleaning. So this month's really important to get through. I've been in these sort of situations before, but it shows you how fragile it is, really. One minute you think you're doing fine, and something will come along, like the weather, and then something will go wrong in your van, and it'll wipe you out, and you've got to get back up to speed again. So my wife's helping me the last 3 days this month. She's been helping me, Matthew and Sophie work, because we've got some very busy days working to get it all done, plus it's getting dark by 4. So that's why we had 20 cleans today. We've had 2 skips, but we've just had another 2 skip as well. The weather, all these fields around here are waterlogged, so some of the houses that live near these fields, their gardens are waterlogged as well. So we've lost 2 customers today due to that. So I hope they get through their problems. Daft thing is they're going to worry about me and the effect it has on me, but honestly it's no dramas. Right, getting to the next clean. Okay, it's that one done. 6 cleans now done. We've got 12 left for today. We're now moving on to another clean. Once we've got that one done, that's this village here done, and then we're going to go past where I live and then the next village down, and that's where we've got the next 11 cleans to do. So hopefully we'll get going. Time is now coming up for 10 o'clock in the morning, so we're doing well for time. Obviously it's 4 of us working. Thank God for the 2 Gardner's backpacks. I had to fix them as well a couple of days ago. I've had one where the switch went. I had a spare replacement one, so that was a quick switch, pardon the pun. And then on the other Gardner's backpack it was getting noisy, so I had a spare pump and I've just swapped them round, and that's now working a lot better, a lot quieter as well. So thank God for that. I've also gone and ordered more spare replacement parts from Gardner's website for me Gardner's backpacks that I've got. And I've also completely ordered a new battery, a new pump, and all the gubbins that need to go inside a Gardner's backpack, because my original one's not working. And obviously that's going to be the old version 2, so I've brought all the new component parts, so when it's wired up it's a version 3 basically, and then I'll have 3 working Gardner's backpacks, which is handy because it means my kids can use my pure water that I'm making at home to clean the house while I'm out working. We'll see, but they'll come in handy. And then I've got my 45 litre X-Line trolley. We've had problems with that. Basically I tried a couple of things, but I've worked out what I need is a new battery. I can buy a lithium battery, which is 189 quid, and that's what I've done using a good old credit card. So that's on order, and when I get that I should be able to put that back in, and we'll have the 45 litre trolley back as well, because obviously it carries double the water than the Gardner's backpack, and the way Sophie works she prefers using that, so we'll be glad to get it back. I could have brought a cheaper battery, it's 52 quid, but it'll weigh 4 times as much, so it's definitely worth buying the old lithium one. Anyway, at the next clean now. Get this one done, and that'll knock us down to 11, like I said, all in one village. With 4 of us, hopefully we'll finish early enough, as it is my wife, Teresa. It's her birthday today as well. And she, God bless her, suffering. She's got a bad knee and a bad hip at the moment. But she also knows we've got a lot of work, so the last 3 days have been really hard work for her. And that's where I really wish I could have done with the 45 litre trolley as well, because we've got one Gardner's backpack on a sack barrow, but the other one we have to carry, so we're trying to help each other out. Anyway, here, better get cracking. Right, that's us all done. Managed to get all the cleans in done today in good time, but that's obviously because there's 4 of us working for most of the day anyway. So I'm home early, my wife's birthday, I'm happy. Just fingers crossed for Monday that my van don't cost me too much to get it through the MOT. Apologies for the long hair, but I couldn't afford a haircut last month and I don't think I'm going to afford one this month. But that's window cleaning for you. Thanks for watching.